this video you will see how to do trade on Bybit. Exactly, I will show you totally taking action way I will do, and you will see that here. Okay, so come first thing first, you need to see your asset. You need to have your asset. I have nearly $80. So now go to spot. We will see today spot trading, pretty much easy and straightforward. Spot trading everyone knows. Just if I give any real life example, that if you go market and you give something to your shop owner, you give money to them and they give you something, t-shirt, it could be any food, whatever. So now if I search here today, we will invest not invest, we will just overview Aave Token, their price, their current, everything related about Aave I will show you. So here is plus 3% is positive in Aave Token, green light maybe you are seeing here, and earn 1% flexible saving. So first I will show this on. So now if you want to see this chart, trading chart, here is 1 hour chart. Price is now is increasing, so people are trying to buy this token now. And if you see that this place is range, and I'm not showing you good way trading performance. Okay, I will show this way, like trading view apps I haven't, I will download for you later. So now if you see here that price is increasing over the past, and its price now still is increasing. So if you noticed here, if I decrease this chart, here is the thing, maybe you are seeing. So price was upper than now, like in the past. So now it is decreasing. So however, so first, here is higher high, lower low, higher high, lower low, higher high, and it is increasing. Okay, so it's up to you, like what type of trader you are. Short time you are, swing trader, or which kind of trader you are. Swing trader mean like you just trade between two ranks. Okay, like swing trader is like this, you are just trade, like I'm showing you. Okay, so you maybe here, between here to here, and between this place you take profit or loss. This is people call swing trading. So like if current price of F is, let's say 121, and this thing is 100. If I price was 108 at that time, if you noticed. So if you like buy coin here, if you sell here, if you sell here, you will gain $18, so profit. So this is people call swing. So now this is the thing, and as well as here, here is the dip way, you can see. So if you noticed, I will show you straightforward way. So okay, F price increasing, still increasing, the highest position here, if you noticed, and if I decrease this thing, like this is the whole 1 hour chart. So 1 hour ago this price was here, yes, 1 hour ago this price was here. One hour ago this price was here, and now it is here. Was 148. One of the best price was like last 1 hour, last 1 hour this price was most price of the EF token ever. So if you see, gradually it has increased, like it has fallen at all. And if you see gain fall 107 and up, here is, if you see 124, if you see 116, if you see 23, 21, 29 again, and now 5, and current price here. Okay, so this is 1 hour chart. If you wanna see 1 day, this is 1 day chart. This is 1 day chart. This price is now here, and this one is here. So yeah, this is the thing you can do your way. And trading doesn't mean that you can just buy the token and hold that and you will get capital automatically. It doesn't make sense to me. So trading mean it's too professional. Like you need to understand the market, you need to understand this chart, so learn after earn. Okay, so like in crypto space there is a two type of guy, trader and investor. So investor don't worry about like where is market going. They don't like see those type of things. They just buy token and done. End of the day they gain profit, like multiply their capital. Okay, and trader man, just buy sell always time. Like if he buy here, if he buy, like any trader, if any trader buy here, the sale would be here. This is their intention. Okay, and a lot of time they are as well like too lost. So if you wanna get any type of video about trading, I wanna help you, so just feel free to comment. And my telegram link is, check out description box of this channel as well as comment box. And if you wanna get any certain video, write down on that video's topic. I will try to upload that in the future. So see you later in the next time. Until that, happy hunting.